how to become a leader.
Thank you. Imagine you're sitting in the office. You had a pretty nice morning, accomplished, you've done a lot. You're pretty content with yourself and the day as it goes. And then you see this email that's popping up. You see it's your boss. You don't see the subject line, but you open it up, and all it says, we need to talk. What is your first reaction?
You're in trouble.
You're in trouble, okay. Any other reaction?
Get fired.
Getting tired. Anybody else? Any other reactions that you might have?
Something bad.
Something bad, okay. All right, okay. So we have something bad happens, getting fired, something in trouble, right? So this is an excellent example of how we go through the day, reacting to certain situations without even realizing what is it all about. Really, it's just the email, we need to talk. But we already have a reaction, we have certain thoughts about it without knowing what the situation is all about. And we go through the day, through our life, having reactions on every situation, especially when it's stressful. Think about it. Your flight gets delayed by 2 hours. What is the first thing that you think about? You know, geez, why it happens to me all the time? Or geez, like suckers, you know, like why those airlines don't ever work? What happens when somebody takes a parking spot that you were trying to find and it's not happening? You're getting upset. You might get angry. You might get nervous. So this example really explain how we go through the day without realizing what are our reactions. And the key to become a great leader is to, instead of going through the day and reacting, is to start realizing that we can take a step back and really start making a difference by the way how we react. Our reactions are connected to our thoughts and feelings. So when we start addressing those, we can really increase the level of success in our life, the way how we act, and the way how we respond. So there are 7 levels of energy or consciousness. And you can increase the level of success when you start resonating in the higher levels of energy. And those levels of energy are considered to be more successful, more easygoing, more joyful. The lower levels of energy are more connected to being stressed, to overreacting, to really reacting emotionally. So I'm going to use the email example, how we can react in a different ways, and how leaders choose to react when they are presented with stressful situations, but also in any situation in their life. So level 1 energy, which is the lowest one, it's considered a victim energy. And the victim reaction is, why me? It's usually associated with resentment. It could be associated with feeling of guilt, of feeling powerless. So natural reaction will be, I don't matter, or there's nothing I can do. So having an email like this from your boss, we need to talk, your natural reaction will be, why me? And then you feel a little bit down, and then you tend to feel, I don't know if I can do something. You feel very powerless. The next level, it's level 2, which is called anger, or level of conflict. And it has very similar feelings, but the difference is that we're more conflicted. We get up in the morning and we run almost like having boxing gloves and start fighting everybody and everything. So we might have still the same feeling of guilt, the same feeling of feeling powerless, but now we start, instead of not doing anything and feeling for me kind of thing, we start going and attacking the world about everything and everything that happens. So there's a lot of successful people operating in that kind of level of energy or level of mindset. Actually, corporations mostly run on you, that people get burned out quickly. This is when in those two levels they get either stuck or burned out without any energy. So moving on, starting from level 3, this energy start being more working towards your advantage. This is when you actually start managing what happens to you. And level 3 is called level of responsibility. And this is when you start taking responsibility for your feelings. So whatever happens to you, you are able to take a step back and say, maybe my boss had a bad day. It's okay. Maybe he's not the most articulate person today, but it's okay. I can deal with it. Did I do everything what I had to do? And you start reasoning with yourself whether you're in a good position. This is when you actually start forgiving people and you start more being cooperative instead of fighting all the time. The next level is level 4. Level 4, and this is level of caring. So from that perspective, when you get email like this, you will start thinking, is everything okay with your boss? It's not about you anymore. It's about your boss. Is he okay? Maybe he's overwhelmed. Maybe he wrote a short email because something is not okay with the situation, and maybe I can step up and help. So you start thinking from a perspective how I can help, how I can be of need for him instead of what can happen to me. Another level is level 5, and this is where level of successful leaders. So this is how most people, and probably you know from your own experience, if you had a great manager or a great boss, this is how they will operate. And what it is, they look at the opportunity everywhere. And it's easy to say, but how it looks like. These people don't have any reaction. So everything that comes their way, instead of having first emotional reaction, they will ask a question. Okay, what's behind it? I'm curious, what might happen, or why my boss wrote me this email. That's about it. And then once they go talk, find out what the situation is, then they will actually start responding to it instead of reacting to it. Additional 2 levels, it's 6 and 7. They are focused more on the spiritual side. Level 6 is considered the level of wisdom, and we never are in this level permanently, but a lot of times we can connect to it quite often, and this is where intuition comes alive. Some people say that they have that feeling. In workplace, it will be when you are so into your work that you forget the time, everything is flowing, and you feel like in a very compassionate place, a very powerful place. And then the last level is 7. It's like very spiritual. So what work, what emails, forget about it. So these are the 7 levels of energy that that show you how you can react differently while you go through your emails and through your life. And next